Hey y'all, I'm excited to show you something I got in the works. This is actually a bot that I'll be making that I'll be sending to a client if I can get it working. You see right here, I don't have anything in the contact database yet.
Hi there.
Hey,
Hi there. How
hey,
can I help you today?
hey, I need some help at my house. In my kitchen, I'm having some flickering lights.
Got it. Is this for a new job or an existing one?
Oh, this is a new one.
Great. May I have your name, please?
Yeah, of course. My name's Jakin Harper, Jakin.
Thanks, Jakin. Is this for a residential address?
Yeah, it's my home.
Perfect. Could you please provide the full address of your property?
Yeah, it's 105 Common Street, New Braunfels, Texas, 78130.
Thanks, Jakin. Let me check the distance to see if you're within our service range. You're just 3.3 miles away from us, so you're well within our service range. We'd be happy to help with your flickering lights. Please note that there's a $99 service fee for the assessment, which will be discounted from any work done. Can I get your contact information to update our records?
Yeah, what info do you need from me?
I just need your phone number to update our records.
Oh, you can't use my current phone number. Well, you've used it before. How about this? I'm not going to tell you my
Got
phone
it.
number, and you just update what you can.
I'll update what I can with the information you've provided. Thanks, Jakin. Now can you tell me a bit more about the flickering lights in your kitchen?
Yeah, they're new. I just installed some new lights. They weren't working. I swapped them out, put new lights in, and they still weren't working. I don't know what's going on.
Got it. It sounds like there might be an issue with the wiring or the fixtures themselves. I'll make a note of this for the electrician. I'll notify the
Okay.
electrician and they will schedule with you directly.
Real
Is there
quick,
anything else I can help you with?
yeah, could you update my contact info to for my first name to be Jakin?
Sure thing, Jakin. I'll update your first name to Joachim. I've updated your first name to Joachim. I'll notify the electrician about your flickering lights. They'll reach out to you directly to schedule the visit. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
That's it. Thank you so much, Emily. All right, so great news. We did get it updated. Bad news is it thinks my name is Jackham. But you see, the phone number came in. It was weird that it asked for the phone number. Let me know if you have thoughts about that. But if I click into here, it does have all the information I gave it. It has the call summary, and this is just a tool that's already pre-built tool. And then over here, task, it should have created a task, and sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. And this is my prompting for tasks. Tell them you'll notify the electrician, and then in the background it says add a task and assign it to status agent. I've never gotten it to assign to anybody ever. A status agent is the name of a contact, but even when I used another contact that was, another staff member inside of a location, it has not assigned. Jordan did just mention under my post, anybody able to assign tasks, that it should be able to post a due date. He's going to run and check. This is currently what I have. I did use a video from Esteban Lopez for save name. It did work. It's kind of annoying because it's that premium inbound webhook workflow trigger, which I'll show you all right now. I'm going to come to builder. This is what I have. So you see everybody's in wait. There's nothing that needs to go down here. Real quick, you do not need a find contact here. If you look real close, it says if the contact doesn't exist, it will create a new contact. If the contact does exist, it will update it. So if you didn't do this and you wanted to do let's say it couldn't do if or in and of itself, you'd have to build out a big nesting if tree. But this is the hook I have. I just made this visible to me. I'm going to zoom in so that y'all can see it on smaller screens. This is the webhook that is generated here. When I create the create inbound webhook trigger, this is generated here. I copy this and I put it inside of the custom tool inside of Assistable. And then I just save this. And then what else do I got here? Oh, and then create contact. Now, so that you don't have to go searching for Esteban's video, give Esteban some love in the chat, but or in the messages, like I'm a YouTuber. But right here for first name, last name, and phone, what he did was he went into all these have to be inbound webhook triggers. You're not going to have any of these other pieces of information already in the system. So inbound webhook trigger, and then for me it was arguments, and I only passed 2 arguments, and I'll show you that real quick back in. Actually, I'll do that right now. Back over here. These are the arguments: first name and last name. So if I come back into here, those are the arguments. Arguments, first name, last name. Call. Now this is strange. When I was looking at contact ID, if you're going to be using that in your webhook, you would have assumed it would have been like somewhere on this level or somewhere in this level, but there's this retail LLM dynamic variables. You click that, and that allows you to then scroll over, and now there's an option for contact ID, but also something else Esteban mentioned, contact ID here does not work. You have to scroll all the way and find contact ID with an underscore. Now you don't need to write this, you don't need to navigate through this. If you have it saved, you can just copy paste into one of these fields. What else? And I just have a wait so I can see who's here. And then obviously this is beautiful because I can go to enrollment history. I can look at Jackham Harper. I can say I want to view your entire execution history, and then you can see how they came in, and this is the ID that they were created when the call was first made. And then when create contact was used, you'll see back over here in building, create contact, it used first name, last name, and phone number to then update that user. Right here. Oh, that was a wait, my bad. Let's go to enrollment history, execution history, and we got executed. So you see how the name got updated right here when the contact was created because of those fields. And then wait step, which wait step is just so I could see if there's potential filtering I can do later, but I'll probably delete that all now. All right, I hope this helped. Hope it wasn't too long. Have a good day.